The first time was 87, and now with my family.
You don't know why you come to Votsala, but you know that you will come back.
How many times have you been at Votsala?
I can't really count.
First time that we visited Votsala, we were only 1 and 4 years old.
I don't know. Actually, it was 4, 5, maybe 6 times.
Fourth time that we are here now.
I don't know. I stopped counting.
Already 14 times.
We've been to Votsala 6 times now since 2011.
I went 15 times and Lisbeth 17 times.
First time we are here, but we already talked about it. Might not be the last time.
We came for a week.
We came for a week, went home, and I still had a few more days leave. So I came back again.
Straight away.
5 times.
4 times?
We are
4
regulars.
times.
4 times. 4 times.
Right. You wouldn't be the first
5
time.
times.
Yeah, 5 times.
We first came when Leo was about 7.
5 times.
Once. Same for me, once.
5 or 6 times.
We have not been in Votsala enough yet.
Votsala? 6 times. I think Jana likes most the breakfast.
I love your breakfast.
I love the breakfast with the Greek buffet and the classical music playing in the background.
And I love this place. The beautiful scenery and the sea is right next to our room. Yoga in the morning, warrior number 2, always to Berlin.
Arriving at Votsala for us is like arriving in paradise, like coming home.
The kitchen is probably one of the biggest rooms in the hotel, and it's well worth it. Here are people who enjoy cooking.
And I also love the trips
Yeah.
you organize for us.
I love your evening walks. We went on a nightingale walk and heard nightingales sing in the forest, and I don't think I've ever heard that before. Always ending in a nice restaurant with good, simple and inexpensive food.
At Votsala, you have it all.
Maybe it's not the typical Greek hotel what you would expect. It's very special, it's familiar, it's very open-minded, and you can speak all the languages you can speak.
Votsala is a great place to meet new people.
Everybody is different. There are people from most of the countries of Europe. There are always interesting people to talk to.
Everyone is just very kind, all the people in the staff, all the guests.
When you come there, you become a part of the family.
I feel like I'm with my family when I'm with you.
Very friendly hosts.
Makes it look as if it's easy to run a hotel.
Of course, it's easy.
With guests like you.